Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix text notification sound not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, turn on notification sound, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, click on notification. Here you will see allow notification, and if you want to turn on notification sound, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on notification sound from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear data and cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, open messages, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, clear data, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages clear cache from your phone, and if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. After click on clear data, messages data will be clear from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. This is how you can fix text notification sound not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.